If you grind your teeth, over time you can actually wear them down significantly. This happens because as your teeth grind together, they break down the tooth's hard outer layer. Once that protective layer is gone, the softer layers and nerves underneath become exposed, leading to painful sensitivity. And it doesn't stop there. Without that protection, your risk of cavities, tooth decay, and even severe jaw pain increases over time. Don't ignore the signs of teeth grinding. Early care can save your smile. Oaks Dental Clinic. Follow us for more dental education and oral health tips.